What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Taylor's Garage video. Now, in case you're new to the channel, I have 6 vehicles at 22 years old. We, of course, have my satin black 2021 5.0, my 2007 E90, man, this thing looks good, my 2018 F30 that I haven't driven in ages, my 2016 V8.5 Audi, of course, my detailing van. Today's video is about none of those, because today's video is all about my 2007 335 E92. This E92 is pushing 500 horsepower, and I bought it for $10,000. This is episode 2 of building this car, and we have some insane mods, so stay to the end because the transformation is going to be crazy. But first, let's check out what we did in the last video, because we did a lot. We installed this super dope high kick spoiler winged M4 style one. This looks so good, as well as installing this sick new window spoiler. Of course, we had to install the carbon M Sport mirrors. This is a must on any E9X BMW. And finally, we ended off by installing this carbon F30 style shift knob. I love this thing. So now that we're all caught up on what we did last video, let's get into the first mod of the day. Before we get into that, I need everybody to hit subscribe. We're getting so close to 5,000 subscribers, which is crazy because I started this 4 months ago. Really trying to push for 10,000 by the end of the year. And I'm gonna be giving away this e-scooter and this e-bike to one of you guys. They're both brand new, never been used, valued at about $3,000 altogether. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button right now. We post all the time. First mod is going to be this Icon Motorsports front bumper cover for the E92. So I'll give you a quick preview of what it's going to look like on the car. But first, obviously, you can see we need to paint it still. So obviously it slides on just like that, and it gives it way more aggression in the front end. It uses all the OEM mounting holes underneath for the shielding. So let's go ahead and sand this down, paint it, and then we'll slap it on the car. Now, if you think that's gonna look good, just wait till you see it with the new front lip we got. Because right here from Nelson Racing Wheel, we've got a forged carbon front splitter with blue flake. Now, I don't usually get expensive front lips because I break them all the time, but this is a $1,200 front lip, so we gotta pray that this thing does not get wrecked. Okay, so we just finished the sanding process. Now we got to run to my detailing van and get some cleaner, and then we're going to put some adhesion promoter on it. Okay, let's see. I think it's at the back here. Oh yeah, there it is. Always use the purple stuff, by the way. This is the best degreaser. Then we just need ourselves a rag. Dog, my driveway looks legit insane, bro. Nah, I'm honestly so grateful, bro. Like, this is so dope. Okay, so we're gonna let the adhesion promoter dry for a little bit. So let's go ahead and get on to our next mod. Now, our engine bay looks phenomenal, but I think it's still missing some color. And Keys Motorsports is gonna help us change that. Got these 2 red caps that are completely gonna change the look of the engine bay. And if we go into our E90, you can actually see I have the exact same caps for this car too, because they just look so good. So let's go ahead and slap these on, because this is obviously super, super easy. We'll go ahead and start off with the crankcase cap. Next, we've got our coolant. Okay, we just got both of those changed over, and that actually makes a world of difference. Look at that. That looks so good. The only thing I'm thinking is I maybe should have done blue to match the intake scoops and even the flake on the front lip. But I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments, because the red still matches the intakes, you know? Like, I don't know. So we just finished up with paint on this thing. The front splitter used the same mounting holes underneath. So I think we're gonna lay some double-sided tape, line up the 2 front bumper pieces, and then throw it all on at once. Okay, I actually just test fit it, and it's not gonna fit with mounting holes. So we're gonna have to do something else. Okay, so we got the first piece on, and it actually looks insane. The only issue is the black is a little bit different, but we can always paint match it after. Let's go ahead and slap this front lip on, because I'm stoked for this, and I'm sure you guys have been waiting for it too. Oh, that actually looks insane, bro. Dog, once the new wheels get here, this thing is actually gonna look crazy. Oh my goodness. Look at that blue flake with the blue intake scoops, bruh. Damn! I actually cannot believe how good that turned out, bro. Holy. Now, we've only got 2 mods left, and we saved the biggest one for last, so get excited for it, because it's going to be a new set of wheels and tires. First, we need to replace this side marker because this thing is just completely falling off. Okay, so we just got that on. Now the last thing for us to do is get rid of these horrible wheels. Now before we carry on with the wheels, I think we need to pull this thing outside and give it a wash, because man, is it crusty. Oh, we just got this thing clean and I'm low-key messing with these brown wheels right now, bro. Check that out, bro. Like, that is hard, is it not? Now, don't worry, we're still gonna get new wheels. Now, unfortunately, I have some bad news. The wheels will not be here in today's video. They are stuck in shipping and yeah, we're just not gonna see them. That really sucks. I really wanted to put them on in this video. I mean, it would have made the video a lot better, and I'm sure you guys would have liked to see them too, because it's gonna look sick. Like, I'm super stoked for it. But yeah, sometimes it just doesn't work out. But we do still have another mod. I was saving it for its own video, but I don't want to end this video short, and I still want it to be kind of exciting. So yeah, we got something else. In this box here is a brand new head unit for the E90. It's going to be replacing this garbage infotainment screen. So let's go ahead and pop this out. This kit actually comes with quite a few things. Of course, we got the screen. These two brackets are for the HVAC system, I know, but I don't know what this one's for yet. Next, we've got all the wiring, and we also have a rear view camera. I didn't know this was part of it, but that's kind of cool. Probably won't hook this up today. I just don't think this can get any worse. First, the wheels didn't show up. This screen doesn't fit. You can see here, I think it's supposed to be for ones maybe without heated seats or something, but this part is supposed to stay in the HVAC system, and then this part is supposed to be removed, obviously. There's literally no possible way that this would fit and be able to keep the HVAC system. That just sucks. Like, I just can't seem to catch a damn break around here, man. Like, this is brutal. So stoked for the wheels. I was honestly really excited for this. It was going to be another video, but you know, I was super stoked for it. Doesn't fit, so that's great. I don't have any other mods for this video. That's, oh man. Best part is, I was like, oh, whatever, like, I'll just throw it in the E90 then, I guess. Ain't gonna fit in here either, brother. Like, it's the same setup down there. Actually might fit in this one, maybe. You can see these two pieces are separate, so I can pop this one out, and this one out. But it's got this weird little shape going on here. On top of that, we've already got the actual screen from the factory. Okay, I think that's just 300 bucks down the drain. I don't know, maybe I'll return it, but I'm so lazy when it comes to returning stuff. It is what it is, I guess. Let's roll the montage, because I mean, we've still made this thing look pretty damn sick, bro. Like, I'm super stoked with how far along this car has come. It's only gonna get better from here. We have so many crazy cosmetic parts on the way. We've got some more engine mods. Like, this thing is gonna be sick when it's done. Without further ado, let's roll the montage. Does suck. I mean, there's not much I can do about it now, so you know, I try not to let it get at me. But I have two mods in one video that didn't work. One of them wasn't even supposed to be in this video. I was supposed to have wheels and tires. The whole video was supposed to be way different, but yeah, this is kind of brutal, to be honest. I guess it's just kind of part of modifying cars. Sometimes you're not looking at exactly what you're buying, I guess, and then yeah, it doesn't end up working. I had the same thing happen. I bought this $800 carbon diffuser for my F30, not thinking about the fact that I didn't have the M Sport bumper, so there was nothing for me to remove to install the new one. So yeah, that kind of sucked. That's just sitting in my storage locker right now. Like $800 down the drain, and now it's gonna be like $1,500 once I finally find a bumper, if I ever do, because I do want to install it still. I'm just waiting to find an M Sport bumper on Facebook. Maybe I'll buy one online. I don't know yet. And the amount of mods that I have sitting in my storage locker, like brand new things for all six cars. Like, there's something for every car in there that didn't fit. That's just collecting dust. Anyways, it is what it is. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that screen yet. Maybe I'll sell it or keep it in case I get another E90 one day. I don't know. But yeah, the wheels and tires are still on the way. Those will fit. I know that for a fact. It's just when they get here is the thing, but we'll still make a good video on it. It'll be exciting. I'm super stoked to see how it's gonna look on new wheels. I'm not gonna say the color or the design or anything yet, because obviously it's gotta be a surprise. But if you're watching this video and you're a company who wants to sponsor me, help a brother out, man. Because I'd be spending, dude, I was looking at it the other day. I've spent like $35,000 on YouTube videos. Like, I bought 3 cars for the channel so far, plus all the mods and the money I've poured into mods for these videos. Not that it, like, I want to do it. I love making videos. I'm having a blast. And it's probably stuff I would have bought anyways, but you know, it's crazy. I've spent a lot of money. I promise you, I'm not seeing that return on anything. So yeah, help a brother out if you're watching this, please. With all that being said, I think that's going to be the end of today's video. If you stuck around this far, comment something down below. Let me know that you're here right now. And yeah, I appreciate everyone's support. We've still been growing a little bit, still pushing for 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully we'll get there soon. Still trying to push for 10,000 by the end of the year. Probably won't happen, but you know, it's a goal. We're going for it. Yeah, with all that being said, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.